Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Rae and I am Jessie Rae.
I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling, I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling.
So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing my October BoxyCharm unboxing for you all. Hold on, I got a little makeup on it. But it's got a little bit of a twist, and the twist is, as y'all can see, my makeup is completely different from what I normally do. I got Halloween makeup going on in this video for today, guys. So I really hope y'all enjoy watching this unboxing for my October 2020 BoxyCharm subscription. All right. So I have already went ahead and popped the seal on here, y'all. So let's see what I got. All right, so open it up and this is what it looks like. Okay. This month's theme is Candy Shop. So let's see what I got up in here, y'all. Alright, so this is the Luxie Wonderlust set. This, oh my god, y'all. This makeup brushes. What? Hold up, let me see. Oh, y'all, look at these. These are so, look at these. These are gorgeous. Oh, I'm obsessed. And I almost ordered some eye brushes with rose gold and I'm off of Amazon. Glad I didn't. Thank you, BoxyCharm, because I sure was about to order some. So this set, and y'all, it comes with, you know, the little case too. That's really convenient. This set here is $40 by itself. So bam, I paid $25 for my BoxyCharm subscription, so I done already got that and some with just these makeup brushes. That's pretty cool. All right, next I got, oh, this is a eyeshadow palette. It is by Beauty Bakery. It's the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh, y'all, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I like these colors. These are some nice, like, you know, this palette is kind of giving me, like, you know, fall vibes. This is probably like my main colors that I do wear in fall, like burgundy and pink and the maroon. And yeah, I can get some nice looks out of this palette here, so definitely can't wait to try that out. So y'all be on the lookout for a video using this eyeshadow palette. Y'all know I'm gonna post one. Let's see, and that eyeshadow palette, the Beauty by Beauty Bakery, retails for $38, y'all. $38. Wow. All right, so next I have the, hold on, some lipstick, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. Let's see what this looks like, y'all. And this retail for $24. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That is real pretty, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. Can I see that? But look at that. That is pretty. Ooh. It's a nice little nude color. Can wear this every day, to be honest. With a little brown, dark brown eyeliner. Ooh, that'll make a cute ombre lip. That'd be real pretty. All right, the next thing I got is a Dose of Colors. It looks like this is a full coverage concealer. It is deep in the number 28. Let's see. Might be, oh, look at that. That's nice. I like that. I could probably use this to, like, you know, contour Yeah, this would be really good for contouring for me because it's a little dark for my skin complexion. Like way too dark. Well, I wouldn't say way. Yeah, it's way too dark, y'all. Cause it is not. Yeah, no, I would have to. Yeah, I would have to use like a. Yeah, I would have to use this to contour, y'all. But pretty cool, pretty cool. How much is this? This retails for $24 as well. And then the last thing I got in here is this Ace Beauty Lip Liner Duo. Okay, so let's see. One is Be Peachy. It's kind of like a brown cappuccino color. That's pretty. That's real pretty. And then this other one here is called So Gorgeous. It's kind of, I thought it was like a wine color, but it looked more, I don't know. It's kind of, I would say it's like a red wine color, but I mean, it's pretty too. It would look cute. Oh, it would go, both of these would definitely go good with that, with this Brazilian Kiss lipstick that I got in this BoxyCharm subscription as well, or in this October box as well. Like both of these would be really pretty with that. Probably should have closed the other end, huh? Well, and I'm still dropping it. Alright, so we're gonna close one end. Alright. Okay, so not bad, BoxyCharm. Again, y'all did great. I got another eyeshadow palette this month in October as well. And you know, girl, I can never have, or you know, as someone who applies makeup, I'm pretty sure y'all are like me, and you can never have enough brushes. Like, oh my god, brushes on top of brushes on top. Send them all. I will take them. So looking at this, if I total it all up, retails for $138, y'all. $138, and I only paid $25 a month. But if you include the tax, it's like $26.70 because it's like $1.70 for tax that I pay. But yeah, $26.70, and this box is worth over $100. Come on now, let's get with it. Let's get with it. Y'all, when I say I rarely go out and shop for makeup, I honestly rarely do because BoxyCharm always coming through. So I really hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. And if you made it this far, definitely smash that thumbs up button. Definitely click that subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And as always, y'all, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.